is Alex. Yes. You can tell us a story from your country about issues of water supply.
Well,
your name?
I'm Agnes Ojuka, Jalameso. I work for Ministry of Water and Environment, specifically a program called Water and Sanitation Development Facility for Northern Uganda. We are based in Lira. Water supply in Uganda, specifically the rural, the coverage is about 65, and that means we still have a long way to meet the Millennium Development Goal, and it has really been the coverage has been really very stagnant for about 5 years, about 60, 65. Simply because, one, there's been little involvement of the beneficiaries in the implementation, and it is of late that the beneficiaries are getting involved, and when they get involved, they now start to realize, to know their roles and responsibilities in the water sector. And as the ministry, we have been agitating for them to ensure that they provide what they are supposed to do. For example, they're supposed to provide the land where the borehole would be drilled. But there are always issues. Where the communities may not be in position to get the land, but yet they need the service, and the government probably could have the funds, but then the land is not provided. How do we go? So we therefore task the local authorities, the local government, to ensure that the community provides. Now we then later adopted the policy of demand responsive, where the demand for the service and we respond by giving, and this has really worked, especially in the urban sector. They call for the need, and we go, and it is really working, and we hope in the rural sector it will also work. Now the challenges basically in Uganda has been, one, of course, the finance has been a problem. Where little is there for the facilities. Also, there are quite a number of stakeholders whom if we combine the efforts, we would really make sure that the water supply coverage is increased. But you find each stakeholders, like the NGOs, people who are working, we are not well coordinated. So you find issues here, especially in the rural area. Quite a number of NGOs are there, but there's poor communication among the stakeholders, and at the end of the day, we end up duplicating and not providing the service as required.